Hello?
Hey sis,
Hey girl.
show me how to do them flat twists.
Okay, I got you. Let's
Let's
go,
go,
sis.
sis.
Alright, so after you leave some hair out for the bang, you're gonna part it in a triangle. Make sure you comb it straight down. Put your hand on top of the flat twist and you're gonna twist it along your finger to the top.
Hold on, ain't this called pancake twist?
Okay, when you get to the end, you're gonna hold it down with a duck bill clip, spray it with some Pump It Up, and smooth it out with the comb.
That ain't how they used to do it in the early 2000s.
Well, this is how you about to do it, so pay attention. Like I said, part it from the top, and you're gonna smash it down with your hand, roll it up with your finger, and repeat.
Okay, you ain't had to get no attitude.
All right, from here, I had took some hair from the back and secured it with some sewing thread, and I did a wrap around that, and then I.
So how you put the crimps in the back?
Okay. So I took my 30-piece crimp roller and I used the crochet needle they gave me, put it through, and then you're gonna attach the hair in the loop part, pull it up, hold the top, and then you're gonna pull the hair through the tube and stretch it out.
Okay, so you doing the same thing to the top or
Okay, for the top, I'm gonna take a flexi rod and I'm gonna roll the hair around all the way to the bottom in a spiral.
why you ain't use the crimp rollers?
Cause when I let you borrow some, you didn't give it back, so I had to improvise.
Don't blame me for your lack thereof.
Anyway, so this how it should look after you're done rolling the bottom and the top.
So you steamed it with the hot water?
Yep, and after I let it air dry, I'm taking the curls out and I'm gonna unravel the top part, and it should look like this when you spread it out.
Ooh, that's cute.
Last but not least, you're gonna take a razor and you're gonna cut your bang area, and then you're gonna take a flat iron on a low heat and you're gonna bump your bang.
So you can curl crochet hair. Girl, I been burn this thing out.
All right, now you're done. Call me back if you need my help.
And now